Hello, my name is Millie, and this is Mojo. We're off on a camping adventure, and at the end of the video we will give you a list of descriptive adjectives used during this adventure to help improve your English. Please make sure to subscribe, and if you like the story, leave a comment, as we will be producing more stories. I am so happy to be here, driving towards our campsite with all the splendid scenery. Look at the massive mountains. They're so beautiful.
Let's stop the car to have a better view of the beautiful scenery.
Good idea.
Look, there's a huge lake over there, and we have a beautiful blue sky.
Yes, it's very beautiful here. Look at those fluffy white clouds. I'm really looking forward to the adventure.
Me too. I have never been camping in my life.
Do you think we have enough food in the car?
Yes, my mum bought lots of food to cook, and we have a new gas stove with 2 bottles of gas.
It'll be such fun doing the cooking outside. Oh, I hope it doesn't rain.
Yes, I hope so. But I packed a large plastic cover so we can cook underneath it if it rains.
Let's get back in the car now. I can't wait to see the campsite. Oh, look, there's a wooden sign for the campsite. It says, "Turn right."
Okay. Here is the campsite. It looks very nice between those tall trees.
Yes, it looks great. I think we will have a fabulous time here. Oh, look, there's a big sign over there. It says, "Bear Country. Put all food away in your car." Oh, maybe there are dangerous bears in the area. We shouldn't leave any food out.
Yes, this is bear country, but I don't think there are bears here. Here is a good spot. We can set the blue tent here, next to the large wooden table. We should check the instructions about how to set up the new tent.
Good idea.
Okay, I think it goes together like this.
Let me help you.
That looks good. I think it's done.
It looks a very strong tent. Let's go for a walk over there, past the wooden sign, to explore the area. We might see a bear.
That's a good idea, but I don't think there are any bears here.
Let's go.
Okay.
There are many modern tents in this camping site. I can see a colourful bird over there. What is it, Mojo?
I have no idea. Look, there is a brown bear in the distance. Can you see it?
Yes, it's a long way away. I hope it doesn't come to the campsite.
I don't think it will. There is no food at the campsite, but in the forest there are lots of sweet berries for it to eat. I think we should head back now, as I am hungry.
Good idea, me too. We have many things to cook.
Let's get the food out of the car and set up the new gas stove.
Okay, let's sort out the food. If you set up the gas stove, I'll get the food out of the car.
Okay, good idea. There you are. The gas stove is ready now. Shall I light it?
Yes, I'm ready to cook the fresh food.
This food smells delicious.
It's ready now. Please sit down.
This is delicious food.
Are you sure? I think you've lost your sense of taste.
No, really, it was great. We should take it easy and study the stars.
Good idea. It's so beautiful here.
I never saw so many bright stars in the sky.
Yes, it's amazing. I'm so happy to stay here. I will sleep well tonight.
Me too. The fresh air is making me sleepy.
I think we should retire to the tent, because I'm also sleepy, and we must remember to zip it up.
Yes, we don't want any scary insects coming in.
Good night, Mojo. Have a nice dream.
You too. Good night.
Mojo, wake up. Wake up. I hear a loud noise outside.
Don't worry. It's just the wind in the tall trees.
No, it's getting louder. And now there's a black shadow on the tent wall. Look.
Okay. I will undo the zip and check it out.
Ah! It's a bear! A huge bear! Oh!
Hello, I am the park ranger. Are you both okay? Yes, thank you so much. Now you are here, we are okay. How about your friend?
I was very frightened. It was such a terrible bear. I thought it was going to eat me.
Well, you are safe now. Do you see the food you left on the table? Yes. Well, that's what attracted the bear. They are always on the lookout for food left out by anyone. Oh, I see. You must always put food away in the car, and preferably in a plastic box, so the bear can't smell it. It was after the food, not you.
I don't think we will ever forget this, and thank you for your help.
I hope you enjoyed our video, and here are details of the descriptive adjectives used in this video. Descriptive adjectives are words that describe the noun, such as its size, shape, or colour. The first example is, I'm so happy to be here, driving towards our campsite, with all this splendid scenery. The noun is scenery, and the descriptive adjective used to describe it is splendid. Now we will review the other sentences. Look at the massive mountains. They are so beautiful. Let's stop the car and have a better view of the beautiful scenery. Look, there's a huge lake over there, and we have a beautiful blue sky. Look at those fluffy white clouds. Yes, my mum bought lots of food to cook, and we have a new gas stove with 2 bottles of gas. Yes, I hope so, but I packed a large plastic cover so we can cook underneath it if it rains. Oh look, there's a wooden sign for the campsite. It says turn right. Here is the campsite. It looks very nice between those tall trees. I think we will have a fabulous time here. Oh look, there's a big sign over there. It says Bear Country. Put all food away in your car. Maybe there are dangerous bears in the area. Here is a good spot. We can set the blue tent here, next to the solid table. It looks like a very strong tent. There are many modern tents in this campsite. I can see a colourful bird over there. What is it, Mojo? Look, there is a brown bear in the distance. There is no food at the campsite, but in the forest there are lots of sweet berries for it to eat. I'm ready to cook the fresh food. This is delicious food. I never saw so many bright stars in the sky. The fresh air is making me sleepy. Yes, we don't want any scary insects coming in. I can hear a loud noise outside. No, it's getting louder, and now there is a black shadow on the tent. It's a bear, a huge bear. I was very frightened. It was such a terrible bear. I thought it was going to eat me. I would like you to think about this saying. Experience is the hardest teacher. She gives the test first and the lesson afterwards. See if you can work out what it means. I hope this helps you understand descriptive adjectives. And please remember to subscribe, as we will be creating more videos. Thank you.